Hello, dear children. Today we will learn a chapter named Children of Courage Bravery Award. Every year, the Indian Council for Child Welfare gives the award to the children who have performed outstanding deeds of bravery. About 25 children below the age of 16 are given this award annually. The National Award for Bravery began in the year 1957. The first award was given to a child who saved the life of the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Let us know how it all began. On 22nd of October 1957, India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was watching a performance at Delhi's Ramlila ground in the Red Fort. A fire broke out in a Shamiana through a short circuit. Harish Chandra, a 14-year-old scout, quickly took out his knife and cut the burning Shamiana. This act saved the lives of the 100 trapped people. Pandit Nehru was inspired by this to initiate the award. He asked the authorities to honor the brave children for all over the country. The tradition continues even today. Brave Harish Chandra became the first recipient of the award. The Bravery Award are announced on November 14 and presented by Prime Minister of India on the eve of the Republic Day. The awardees receive a medal, a certificate, and a cash token as an appreciation. Some of them are also granted financial assistance to complete their higher education. On 26 January, they take part in the Republic Day parade in New Delhi. The awards are given to acknowledge the extraordinary courage displayed by children in difficult situations. The award also encourages children to use their presence of mind and show courage in real life. Some children have saved lives and some have helped the police in arresting criminals. While doing these deeds, some have sacrificed their life. Let us come to know the brave acts of some of these young awardees, sometimes known as Bravehearts. In 2008, 6-year-old twin Gagan and Bhumika of Bengaluru were honored for saving an 18-month-old child. The twins were sitting in father's car at the vegetable market in the Mardiawala. They saw two bulls running towards each other. They saw the child lying in the bull's path. The two immediately ran out and pulled the child away. In 2008, another awardee was Rahul, a 12-year-old balloon seller. He was an eyewitness to the blast in New Delhi. The information that he gave about the men who planted the bomb on one of the important roads helped the police in making sketches of criminals. Silver Kharbani of Meghalaya saved the life of her young cousin who was caught in the fire. Vishal Patil of Maharashtra saved a woman and a child for drawing. Among the 21 children conferred with the National Bravery Award for 2009 was 13-year-old Gaurav from Haryana. He saved 50 to 60 people during a stamp and a Naina Devi temple in the Himachal Pradesh. Kumar Preeti Devi of Manipur, aged 10, saved several lives. She used her bare hands to dispose a live grenade that was hurled at the mother shop in the Impal. Her aim is to fight terror by joining the police force. 10-year-old Priyanshu Joshi from Uttarakhand is one of the awardees for 2010. He single-handedly fought off a leopard that was trying to attack his sister when they were on the way to the school. Even 12-year-old Gurkirat Singh from Punjab helped to prevent a bank robbery by attacking the thieves with bricks. They opened fire, but he escaped. The pistol slipped from their hand and others managed to catch the robber. Mohsin Khan from Madhya Pradesh received the award for saving an old man from a railway accident. We salute these brave children.